Hey, welcome everyone. It's Nitulik back here with another one tutorial. And if you're here for the first time, and if you don't know me, my name is Nitulik. I do small video tutorials like that just to help you guys to get started with your online journey. And in this video, what I'm going to share with you, you probably heard about that. If you have a ClickFunnels, you can build up a very nice lead capture page. The way you are looking at this one right now here, I got it built up with my ClickFunnels account. As you can see over here, it's looking fantastic. But the thing is that that's not the point I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you how you can build the same kind of page if you don't have a ClickFunnels account. Maybe some of you are just getting started and you don't have a ClickFunnels account, and this is pretty expensive to get started with that. So the reason I'm shooting out this video and to showing you how to build it, because when I got started I was having difficulties to get started with my online journey as well, because I didn't have enough of money. So if you are that guy and you're looking to start with your online journey and you don't know what to do and how to do, so this video can help you to make a small lead capture page without paying any single money to anywhere. I hope you have a website. If you don't have, please do make sure that you should have a WordPress site to build a lead capture page. And if you do not have, you can go and get started with I'll be putting a link down for you to get started with your hosting account in this below this video. Okay, and now with that said, this is from the ClickFunnels. Now I've got another one where I am going to show you similar to like that. Let me go ahead. Okay. Oh, this is actually I built it, this is a thank you page. Actually, I built it from the scratch in WordPress site. Okay, now I'm going to show you another one which is also, this is the similar to like the ClickFunnels. As you can see, there's opt-in form and all everything is almost similar like that. Now how to build one of this like this? So first of all, you need to have a WordPress site. So I assume that you already have a WordPress site. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive into it. First of all, I'm going to take you to the behind the scene. I'm going to take you to the dashboard of mine, which is one of my the account which I use normally for testing purpose. And you actually need one of the plugin which is called Elementor. Now if you don't have an Elementor plugin, as you can see over here, I have the Elementor plugin installed here. And if you don't have an Elementor plugin, all you need to do is go to this plugin section. Let me go ahead and show it. Okay, you will click on this add new button. Okay, it's going to take you to this plugin section where you will be able to add your plugin. So just type Elementor. Okay, I already have it typed. It's coming up. It's good. So as you can see that I have already got Elementor website builder plugin built up here, and it is active. So if you do not have, for you will just go to search the keyword called Elementor, and you should be able to, once your plugin is activated and done, okay, you are good to go. Now I'm going to build a new capture page from the scratch, so that you know how to do it for yourself. So I'm going to take a little time here, and I'm going to go step by step so that I won't leave anything in between. So let this the page gets loaded. All right. Here we are here at my back office of this one of the WordPress site, and I'm going to show you how to get started with building your page. First of all, once you go to your WordPress site, and you need to use this Elementor. Okay, now this Elementor plugin help you to build a drag and drop, everything here. All these elements are here. As you can see, there are lots of elements you can utilize. Okay, see, there's a whole lot of, and if you're taking the pro version, you will get much more than this. Okay, Now, you don't need everything, but only the few things you need to know. First of all, you will click on this cog icon. You will go to the settings button. Okay, let's give it a name for this. And I'm going to, let's say I'll put a test, test page one, just a testing out, right? So we'll hide this button. Hide this title. And this is one thing to remember if you are using the Elementor and you want to build a single page layout, and do not want any distraction, like as you can see, there's a sidebar here, right? You don't want that all this, because for the lead capture page you don't need that, definitely. So you will go and click on this, Elementor canvas. The moment you do that, it's going to give you a blank page where you will be able to do it everything from the scratch yourself. Now, first step is add a new section. Okay, you got to add a section here. Okay, as you can see, I added a section, and the next step is we are going to add a inner section. Okay, we're going to add an inner section. Okay, actually it's coming two section, but anyway, I'm going to delete one more. But before that, let's go to the first section here. Okay, and we are going to do some styling. We are going to give some background here. Okay, let's put, you can put even color if you want, just a normal one. As I showed you where, let's see, this background, right? This is the one I have in a ClickFunnels. So I'm going to take that maybe, and I'm going to use the same one. Let's go ahead and put that here. Okay, insert. Now, once you insert this background, okay, one thing to remember, that you got to change these positions to from the default to center. The first thing, the second thing, the size, you got to put it as cover. Okay, there's two things so that everything will come into the place. Now here is, we are going to do the changing from this part onwards. Okay, here I'm going to add a heading. Okay, I'm going to add a heading here. All right, inside this, as you can see, it's inside this column, it's not inside the section. Okay, so let's go ahead and put a heading, and just to fast track the things, to make it fast, I'm just going to use this. I'm just going to copy all these things, and let's say Control C, and I copy that. That's not happening. What happened? Okay, let's let's copy, copy from here. This should be working actually in Control C. Let's see anyway. So I'm going to put it Control V. Okay, change it and do some styling, changing here, background, this and that, and we are going to make it the way it is in the ClickFunnels. All right, so I will put the red color. Okay, the catchy one a little bit, and change the typography, and you can put the any typography you want, but because I want to give the same look, okay, same look here. Okay, I'm just going to use something called, it's similar to actually that, DEN, I guess it's a dank one, supposed to be. Yeah, here you go. That's dank one, right? And I can change the font, the size, everything. I can make it big, small, whatever I want, but not too big. Just keep it 42 size. Okay, and the weight, I make it bold so it's a little bit catchy. Now the second thing is, what I'm going to do it, I'm going to give a little color to it, and I'm going to put a little shadowy color in that. Let's go ahead and put that. Okay, it's totally black, and I'm going to make it a little transparent. As you can see, a kind of, you know, little bit of maybe that much here. All right, that's good. Now this side, you know, I'm going to delete. Actually, I don't need that. Now what's going to happen the moment I delete that, it's taking the whole area. Okay, now we need to change a little bit in this inner section. Okay, and we are going to change it to 500. Yeah, 500. So it's going to give us a little bit of similar kind of what we are looking for, this, right? That one column. So we're gonna start with that. Now the next one is, again, you know, start putting the your all the elements, whatever I want. I want a text editor to put, you know, just behind it. I want, you know, I mean, not behind it, just below these headings. I want the text. Okay, because this is where I'm going to put this text. Okay, right. I'm going to copy. Why the Control C not working? Control C. Let's see. Yeah, it should be working. Then the next one, I'm just only copying because I just don't want to, you know, type because I'm just making a short video. So Control V should be. Here you go. And let's get this one done. Put some color. This is, I'm going to make it white. Okay, and put the typography. I'm going to change it to okay, make it center, and I'm going to make it typography again. I normally put this one as EXO. Okay, that's also a good font, okay, to put. Okay, I like this. I'm going to make it a little bold. Where it's gone bold. Okay, you can do it the way you want, anything. Let's do a little changing here, make it a little bigger, kind of, not so much, probably. That should be good. Okay. So the next step, we go back here. Okay, here you can see there is one more. All right, we're gonna copy that too. Okay, Control C, and then where was that? Was it here? Okay, good. All right, now we are going to go for again one more text editor. Oh, you know what? You can just duplicate, you know. Pretty simple actually, you know, just duplicate that. Okay, duplicate the whole text and Control V, whatever, I got it posted from there. Okay, that's the one, but this one I want to make it a little maybe smaller size. So let's go to the styling and change the text color. That's good. Typography. Okay, the size, we're gonna make it a little small size, kind of, not so much big. Maybe that's good. Okay, that's everything almost looks similar. Let's see. Yep, there you go. We are almost done. Yeah, the final step is here. We are going to pop in this our form, which is we are going to grab it from the, let's say, from whatever autoresponder you are using. I'm just using the Aweber. Now I've got Aweber, so I'm using the Aweber. I'll just show you the design, how I did it, so that you know exactly how to do it for you. All I did is I kept the name, you know, email, only two, and then I just make it here. This is, you can change it the way you want. I just put it as a request access. Okay, so, and all I did, the whole body, you know, the here, the body, if you take the body, I make this body background color, okay, I put it as a transparent so that when I pop that, save this form, okay, and I go to the next step. Let me go to the next step here, go to next step, and you can see here I just put a name, whatever name you want, and you put a custom thank you page, and that thank you page is going to be your something, like another one page. You will make it like this, the way I build it here, okay. uh, I will show you how to do it too. So we'll be able to put that thank you page URL over here, so that once somebody put that, they will be able to see that. Okay, you can just preview that. Let's preview this. Let's see how does it look. Okay, as you can see, there's a video playing automatically here. You can do everything, make it's looking pretty good. Okay, so let's go to the next step. The next step is go to step 3. Oh yep, save form, sorry, go back, save form, go back, save form. Okay, make sure to save always. Then once you do that, then go to step 2, and that's where you will be able to get everything set up, and go to this publish, and I'm going to copy that, copy the entire JavaScript code, and I am going to pop that in this area. Okay, so let's go to this and look for this visit called HTML, and let's bring this HTML to inside this. Here you go, inside this column. All right, and then I'm going to Control V, put that code, and once I put that code, it's done. It's pretty done actually, so make sure to save all the time. This is one good thing I wanted to show you, that you can save this as a template. The moment you will save this as a template, it will be easier for you next time to use it, or you can transfer to any other, you can export to, or you can import to later on. Let's say what am I gonna put? Okay, let's say opt-in 9. All right, just give it a name. Okay, and then we are going to save that. All right, so the moment you save that on your Elementor library as a template, okay, here I see I've got a lot of testing going on in this space. So what was that? Okay, here, okay, you can preview that. Okay, and here this is the 3 dots. Okay, you can export it. The moment you will export, you can export it as a JSON file. Okay, and once you save that in your local desktop, local computer, and you can import that later on wherever you want to import. You want to, let's say, import to another one website, and where you have the Elementor already set, Elementor plugin is there, and you will be able to import that as a template, and everything will be automated, imported, the whole page will be automated. So that's the one good thing you can do it while using the Elementor. So now let's go ahead and have a preview in that page. It should be looking the way we want it. Okay, here we go. Now this is the page I built up right now from the scratch, using the Elementor page builder in my WordPress site. And the another one thing, this is the similar kind of page in the ClickFunnels here. There's nothing much different. Okay. One more thing you can do it, as you can see over here. Here is in ClickFunnels, you have got here the tracking code. Okay, you can put a tracking code here. Once you click here, you can put a tracking code for retargeting, but the tracking code also you can put it in your this WordPress site as well. Okay, but that entire tracking code you have to take a, you have to get a Facebook pixel and you will be able to paste it. That's a later on some other video I'm going to show it how to do it, but for timing, as I say, that you can put a tracking code here as well in your WordPress site as well. Okay, and that will be actually the entire WordPress site. There will be a tracking code, not only one or two pages. So we are pretty done here. This is one, right? Okay, yep, that's good, that's good. Now let's go and make this another one, the page similar like that. Okay, how to do that? Let's go ahead and take this same page. I'm just going to delete a couple of that and I'm going to show you how to make it. So what you do is that you create another one page similar like this. Okay, like a clone, just clone that, and you can clone it actually if you have a duplicate page plugin installed. You can actually clone any kind of pages you want to make it different. Just change the URL and the permalink or URL slug. You can do it. That's pretty simple. So what I'm going to do is I am going to add a video here. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Where's that? Yeah, okay, in this area I'm going to add a video, and it's up to you. You can put your own, if you want to add video, you just want to keep it as a simple thank you page. uh, but it's good to put a video so that you are connected to the people, they know you, so you can give a little introduction about yourself and talk about the business as well, whatever you're offering. Now here is the option for you in this Elementor plugin, that you can put YouTube video, you can put Vimeo, you can put Dailymotion and self-hosted. Wistia is not here at the moment, I guess, but the self-hosted you can put, you click on this, self-hosted. The way you do the self-hosted is you record a video, upload to your Amazon S3 website. Okay, Amazon S3 console. Okay, which is, I will show you. You can, if you are not using like Vimeo and all, you can do it from here as well, and that is actually the safe way to do it. Let me show you how to do AWS console. You will go to the Amazon S3 console. You'll go to Amazon S3 console. Okay, and you will create a free account here. You will be able to upload your video. Okay, that's how you do that. And once you have it done, once you have that, you will click on this external URL and you will put that Amazon S3 that link. Okay, but if you want your YouTube video, you just click on this YouTube, and pop up your whatever YouTube video you're pasting it. Okay, this is just a simple video which is given by Elementor. And one more good thing you can do is you can make it autoplay. You can keep it as a mute, and you can change the player control, all these things. All the cool things actually do it through this Elementor plugin. Okay, so that's how. Now this is again, so let's go to change it to, what was that? Let's say thank you or success. Okay, I'll put it as a success. SUCCE. Okay, success. Okay, I put it as a success. So here you go. The other one is here. I'm going to change that to, or maybe I will, you can, okay, this one, delete that. Okay, and let's say delete that. Okay, and what was that? I want to make it exactly look like this success page, right? Okay, there's a video already that's here, and then we are going to put a couple of text in the button. That's it. Let's go ahead and do it. So where is the text again? Okay, we're gonna put a heading here maybe. Yep. All right, now it's going. No, I not this, don't want that, delete. I want to put a text, I want to put a heading here actually, this area. So let's go ahead and grab it. Yep, that's the place. Yeah, and here I'm going to let me where I will go. Okay, let me go ahead to this. Okay, this is it, click below for instant access, so we are going to put that over here. Okay, okay, click below for instant access, and I'm going to change it, put it in the middle, and then I'm going to put not the size, we will change that to the text color. Okay, let's make it again white color. Typography, we can change it to the way we want. As I said that, any kind of you want, the way you want to, you can change it, any kind of color, whatever you want. But okay, let's put it on XEXO and give a little bit of big, not so much. Yeah, maybe that's good. And make the weight as again bold, so it's a Cassie one. Right, now what was left here to put the button? Okay, in this point, this was the HTML, which we are going to remove it, and we're going to replace the button. So let's put the button here after that. Yep. Yeah, let's put the button where it's not going up. Yep, now it's gone down again, it's going down. Let's delete that. Just right here I want a button, so I'm going to grab that. Yep, here we go, I got that button. Okay, now in this button I'm going to say yeah, get access. That's now whatever you want to say, and link that wherever you want to link it, and you can put it, open this in a new tab, open this in a new window if you want, however you want. That's up to you. Normally it should be opening in a new tab, right? So we got it. We will style the button. Let's give it a little style. We don't want green button, we're gonna make it red color. Not that red, I want a little more kind of, yep, I think that's a good one. Yeah, maybe. And then we are going to do little more changes here to the typography color. Text, okay, this one you can change the way you want, anything. All right, that's not a problem. Okay, center, let's get it center, and change again the text color and the weight. Let's go to the text color. Okay, I want the text color, this one to be white. Okay, here you go, we are good. And I'm going to remove this HTML form, and should be good now. Let's go ahead and give it a go. Give it a, let's check it. How does it look, right? It should be coming out exactly the way I want it. Yeah, here you go. It's almost all good. Only this part is left out that we are going to sort that out. Okay, here. Okay, the reason it's happening because we want that, you know, we want that height to be sorted out so that it will be all right. Edit section. Okay, go to cover, to the layout and inner section, the column. Okay, here the height is showing as a default. We need to get it to the minimum height so that this will be all right now. Okay, kind of. Yep, here you go. We are good. Now we can save that. Yeah, again, you can save it as a, you know, template, or you can save it as a draft, or however you want, you know, and that should be all right now. Yep, here you go. You got it. You know, it's already done. This one you can change the color to transparent so that it will be automatically good. Now if we want to do that, we got to do it from here. But anyway, you got a point. You can just, you know, play around with that things. You know, you can give it a different color if you want. And the size, default, no repeat. I just wanted this to, you know, go away. But however, so if you see over here now, yeah, this one, and if you see over here or here, you know, okay, anyway, here I just put one of the arrow. You can put it too if you want, you know, just to give a little bit of catching on that. So yeah, that's what, guys. This is the way you can build up your you know, the capture page, your thank you page, by using the Elementor and the WordPress. I hope this small tutorial helped. And you know, in this video I didn't do cutting, I didn't do anything. I just gone step by step the way it's supposed to be. And also I didn't do any editing and nothing at all, because I wanted to make it raw. I wanted to make it, you know, like making little mistake, if at all, the way you'll be doing it. So, you know, we learn from the mistakes. So that's how you build a simple looking lead capture page or a thank you page using Elementor, a drag and drop, you know, WordPress plugin. You don't need to spend a lot of money, and you don't, if you cannot afford at the moment the ClickFunnels, let's say, if you're just getting started, so you can use this, you know, you can build up your capture page. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here. It's Nitil signing off for today, and I will come out with some more video tutorials. So let me know what you think about it. Put a comment below, and if you got little value out of it, you know, just subscribe to my channel, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.